Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make spicy and chili. And without further ado, let us get into the video. For the ingredients, I'm going to use 5 pieces of chili and tomato, and also terasi. And to make it better, I'm going to use royco and some salt. The first thing you have to do is to wash the chili, and in order to make it healthy, so the first step is to cut just the top of the chili to make sure that we don't need the root. Then we're going to slice the tomato into smaller pieces. And after that, we have to cook it. The reason is because we want all of our ingredients to be soft enough for us to break it into small pieces in this crusher. First is we're going to put blue band in it, in the frying pan. And we are going to wait a couple seconds until the blue band is melted, and after that we're going to put our ingredients into the frying pan. We're going to cook it until you think it's soft enough, and then we're going to go to the next phase, that is to destroy and mix our ingredients with salt and other stuff. I think it's pretty soft, as you guys can see, and let us go to the next phase. The next thing is we're going to destroy it and flatten it with this thing, and to make it even more spicy, I'm going to add terasi. And you only need just 1 pinch of your finger. You don't need too much. And I'm going to put the salt, just to make it have a little bit flavor. And also royco. And here is the end result of your chili. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And the last I will say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.